Hello and welcome back to Meditation Tips. Today, we'll be exploring an integral practice that could revolutionize your daily routine: morning meditation. This simple but powerful practice of dedicating a portion of your morning to stillness and introspection can create a profound shift in your day-to-day life. Morning meditation is the act of starting your day with a clear, centered mind, creating a sense of calmness, focus, and intention that can anchor you for the day ahead. It's about dedicating time, be it a few minutes or longer, to create space for peace and mindfulness before the busyness of the day takes over. The benefits of incorporating morning meditation into your daily routine are abundant and supported by scientific research. It's not just about starting the day on a positive note, but also about enhancing your overall well-being. Firstly, morning meditation is a powerful stress reducer. By focusing on the present moment, we distance ourselves from the worries and anxieties that often occupy our minds. This helps lower stress hormones and promotes a sense of peace and tranquility. Additionally, morning meditation can improve your focus and mental clarity, helping you to make better decisions throughout the day. By cultivating mindfulness, you become more aware of your thoughts and actions, leading to more mindful decisions. Furthermore, morning meditation can contribute to increased empathy and compassion, both towards yourself and others. As you create a deeper connection with your inner self, you naturally foster a greater understanding and compassion towards others. Morning meditation can also enhance your physical health. Studies have shown that regular meditation can lower blood pressure, boost the immune system, and even improve sleep quality. Now, let's walk through a simple morning meditation routine that you can easily integrate into your daily life. Find a place where you will not be disturbed. Sit in a comfortable position, ensuring your back is upright but not tense. Rest your hands gently on your knees or in your lap. Softly close your eyes and start to focus inwardly. Begin by taking a few moments to scan your body, acknowledging any areas of tension or discomfort without trying to change anything. This act of conscious awareness helps ground us in the present moment. Now, gently shift your attention to your breath. Notice its natural flow. Observe the sensation of the air as it enters your nostrils, fills your lungs, and then leaves your body. There's no need to modify your breath, just observe it as it is. It's common for the mind to wander. That's what minds do. If you find your thoughts drifting away, gently guide your focus back to your breath without judging yourself. This act of refocusing your attention is the crux of meditation practice. Try to continue this for at least 10 minutes, or more if you feel comfortable. Remember, meditation is not about completely emptying your mind, but observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment, thereby nurturing a sense of inner tranquility and awareness. That, in essence, is morning meditation. It's a simple tool, yet immensely impactful, capable of transforming not just your morning, but your entire day and beyond. Patience and consistent practice are key, so be gentle with yourself as you embark on this rewarding journey.